Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 2000 amp 3 to 12 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This unit has never been put into service. Very nice condition, obviously, like new from the factory. Does have tap controls, wired for 220 volt, 3-phase. Take a look at the sticker here. Does come with digital meters, still has the plastic wrap over them. Look at that. Can't get more new than this, folks. Overall dimensions, 30 inches long by 32 inches wide by 45 inches high. It is a filtered unit. Come back around to start it up. You hit the start button. Very nice. And the oscilloscope wave here. Very nice, quiet unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.